Hi, good evening, afternoon, and morning, everybody. I'm Nick from Stormtopia.com. I'm here to discuss the Northeast weather forecast with you. For the next couple of minutes, take a look at the forecast memo. We're going to see quiet weather into midweek for the most part. Rain for northern New England on Thursday. We're going to talk about that. But also in the Appalachians, we're going to talk about it. Intense high pressure right now on the East Coast is going to break down over the next couple of days. A colder, more winter-like pattern will be here by November 16th. It might actually be here before November 16th, but definitely by November 16th. Let's take a look at the current sea level pressure across the eastern central part of the United States. We have a 1026 millibar high. Rising air right now across most of the eastern central United States, and this is preventing too much interesting weather. The only interesting weather can be found off to our west right now, and it will be impacting us by Thursday. Let's talk about, oops, that graphic came a little early. We're going to go back to that one. Oops, what is going on? Alright, well, we're going to go back to that NAO pattern. But first, let's take a look at Tuesday's forecast. Highs in the 60s, warm and calm. Just about the same on Wednesday. Still warm, still calm. By Thursday, clouds and showers are developing. They're going to push through the east. Highs in the 50s and the 60s. They're going to be developing through the day. Often the area is shaded. By the nighttime, they could be pushing through the northern mid-Atlantic into the Adirondacks and northern New England. But we're going to be seeing a potentially trough on Friday that could start to try and go negative tilt. Some of the operational guidance is hinting at that, but here's what's really interesting. After that trough, there's going to be a lot of cold air stuck up in the Canadian region, and that is when we're talking about the North Atlantic Oscillation. There's a big explanation of the North Atlantic Oscillation, and it's on my winter forecast page. But here, I just want to show you what some of the operational and ensemble guidance products are showing for the North Atlantic Oscillation. This is the GFS. It's actually keeping it positive. Here we are by the 14th. At the end of this is by the 18th. It keeps it positive. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't think that's going to happen. That remains to be an outlier in the guidance. Taking on over to the European, massively negative after the 10th. Alright, so even before the 16th, once again, European ensemble, massively negative after the 10th. The GFS ensemble, still negative. Now, GFS, has it been doing great this year? No. Has the European been doing... Has the European and GFS been sort of the two front runners, especially the GFS ensemble, in terms of accuracy? Arguably. Okay, but I would say right now, considering that we have the European ensemble, the European operational, and the GFS ensemble all in agreement, and that, first of all, take a look at the GFS. It's not even initializing right. We have a positive NAO right now. It has it starting off as a negative. I'm not sure if that's going to really impact it, but it doesn't seem to have a great handle. Alright, the fact is we do have a positive right now. The GFS ensemble, European, and the European operational all are nailing that current pattern, and then showing us that we're going to be falling. So what's this mean? This means a colder, more wintry pattern. More explanation of what this is going to bring in upcoming forecast videos, but the number one thing to do is to stay safe, stay tuned, and have fun.